everyone, so for today's recipe I'm going to be making vegan coconut rough bliss balls. So what I'm going to be using for this recipe is the Happy Way Triple Choc Fudge protein powder, however the chocolate pea protein will also work well. I've got the Happy Way cacao powder, some shredded coconut, some pitted medjool dates. I'm using fresh ones, however dried ones that you've soaked overnight will also work well, and some melted coconut oil and vanilla extract. So what I'm going to do is just throw all the ingredients into the food processor, blitz it all until it's nice and combined and doughy, roll into balls and then roll into some more shredded coconut and place them in the fridge to set, and they'll be ready to eat.